Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply an urgent e-visa to travel to Azerbaijan. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Republic of Azerbaijan official electronic visa portal. So when you apply for an urgent visa, you're going to click on urgent e-visa. This will be processed in 3 hours. Okay. Of course, it depends on many other things too. So the very first thing, you have to select your nationality, travel document, and you need to do the captcha. And ah, see, now purpose, consideration period, I have selected urgent. Purpose of visit, I select tourism. But why somebody need urgent uh, visa on the for tourism? It may happen and it is valid from the date of issue. So that's why this is disabled. Otherwise, under our standard, this gets enabled. Okay, and issued for 90 days. Fine. Fee is 60 USD. Okay, continue. You should read all the terms and condition and then agree to it. So personal email verification. Okay. So you need to put your surname and whatever information you enter here, verify at least 2 times, not just once, 2 times here. Verify. Country of birth, do it as per your own case. Place of birth, gender, occupation, phone number. Enter your home phone number, only numbers, plus sign, parenthesis and dash are allowed. Okay. So for India, +91, mobile number, your address. Of course, you know your address, email address, passport number. This is sample, but when you do it like nicely. Expiry. Address of accommodation. So if you have already booked your hotel, you have this, right? You need to upload your passport. Then you go for complete application. What happens, and in the email verification, it sends an email to you where you need to click on the link to verify, and then it will give you the option to make the payment. So of course, I'm not going to do that, but that is how it works, guys. So let me know what you feel about it. And thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.